Okay, I can see some minibuses in the distance there. Let's go try our luck there. Whew. Absolutely sweating. Assalamu alaikum. In Baba? In Baba, this one. How many minutes you go? How long you go? 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
الأجرة بكم؟
In Baba, yeah?
البابا 7 جنيه.
Huh?
7 جنيه.
What does it mean?
7 جنيه.
Oh, 20. 20. Okay. And 20 minutes?
مش عارف.
What time you go? What time?
طيب وقت قد إيه؟
What time you go, yeah?
وقت قد إيه؟ 10 دقايق.
3, 4?
زي دي.
Yeah.
10 دقايق.
2 o'clock.
10 دقايق نص 10 دقايق.
Wait, let's try calculator.
بابا سفيان بابا. أنا تيمة واحد تيمة.
10 minutes. Okay. 20, yeah?
الأجرة بقى الأجرة. لا 7 جنيه. ادوا انت بقى ادوا بابا. لا 7 جنيه بس.
7.
7.
Okay, شكرا. Let's go.
سفيان بابا.
I sit front?
اطلع قدام.
Yeah, شكرا.
سفيان بابا.
Okay then. I found myself a minibus.
سفيان بابا.
You see that? That little kid was trying to say to me that it's gonna be 50 Egyptian pounds, but the actual driver told me it's 7. We are not getting scammed, at least at the moment. But I mean, to be honest, I was reading some of the comments from the last videos, guys, and all of you saying that I'm just keep getting scammed here. But I'm paying $1, even $0.50 most of the time. So, looking at it from the foreigner point of view, I'm not getting scammed. But looking from the Egyptian point of view, I am getting scammed. But I'm a foreigner here, so let's say I'm not getting scammed, because let's be honest, $1 for a ride or like $1 for a meal. Jesus Christ, can't even speak right now. So, but now I'm paying 7 Egyptian for this. I don't even know what's that in normal money. I think maybe like 20 cents, 10 cents, maybe less than that. But okay then, let's wait for this bus to get filled up. Maybe it will, maybe it not. And let's get to the Imbaba, because already I challenged just to find a minibus to Imbaba. Let's see what Imbaba itself gonna bring us.
يلا يا جدعان يا اخي بصي ابله شايف الشجر ده؟ هتعدي من جنب كده في قهوه عند القهوه قولي عايز
Check this out. That's the Imbaba neighborhood here.
الجنب التاني مش من بره.
Looks way different than Cairo neighborhood. Way different. Wow.
انت بقى عايز تروح فين؟
Imbaba here?
هنا ده.
Okay. How much was it? No money. Okay, شكرا. Where do I go for kahwa?
قهوه
Kahwa, yeah?
قهوه
Okay, شكرا. مع السلامة. Thank you.
امشي زي ما انت عاوز.
All right. Bye bye, مع السلامة. All right, that's the Imbaba. Let's go and explore. He didn't even take any money from me. Wow. That's amazing.